So, welcome to episode 2 of How to Make Up with me. In this episode, we'll learn how to do eye makeup, use eyeshadow, eyeliner, lower lash line, parts of an eye, and so on. And we'll use these brushes and learn the use of each brush in this episode. So, first of all, I want to tell you that when you are doing a no makeup look, that is a different part, okay? But when you are doing a gorgeous look, then first do your eye makeup and then your base makeup. Why? Because when we put the eyeshadow, there is a lot of fall off here, just below the eye. So we have to put a lot of effort, extra product to clear them off, right? We need to put extra product, extra effort, extra time to clear them up. So first of all, do the eye makeup, then the base makeup. একটা এফর্টে একবার product apply করে we can do the base makeup. Fine. So let us do the eye makeup. For the eye makeup, we'll first use a concealer. Okay, I am using Maybelline Fit Me concealer. So firstly, we will take it on the back of hand. Okay, like this, the back of hand. So the concealer should always be 1 or 2 shades lighter than your foundation shade. Okay, with the help of this brush, this kind of a brush, okay, flat brush. This is code number 4 from Cuffs and Lashes. Okay, so we will apply this here. Try to clean the eyebrows where we have made mistakes. Now the shape is okay. Cleared. With the help of this brush, this is a fluffy brush, we will blend it. Okay, I hope now the eyebrows are looking dramatic, right? And we will put a little bit of concealer on our under eyes as well. If you have dark circles, you have to color correct. That I will show in some other video. I'll make a dedicated video on that. And we will also have to put it here on the forehead, okay? Just to clean the imperfections. And obviously on this side as well. just like this. Okay, so now blend it. So you can see, right, that the dark circles are gone. I do not have that much of dark circles, but I do have a bit. So done. I hope you can understand the difference in eyebrows right now. Look, so now you can set it off with some powder or something, but I'll not do that. I'll directly move to eyeshadow. So for that, we have three kinds of fluffy brush, okay? See, this one is the smallest one. This one is the medium one. This much of fluffiness, and this one is the biggest one. Okay, so three sizes for three sizes of the eyes. I have hooded eyes, so I will use these two. The bigger one, I can use it for the crease, but it will not be used much. So first of all, we will learn the parts of an eye. So this one is the eyebrow. This is the eyelid where we apply the eyeshadow. This one is the brow bone where we apply highlighter to highlight that part. This is the upper lash line. This is the lower lash line, and where we put kajal, that is known as waterline. Okay, so let us try applying the eyeshadow. And where the eye makes a line, this line, that is known as crease. So let us put some eyeshadow on the crease first. So firstly, this is a canvas, okay, where we play with colors. We all have learnt drawing in our childhood and we can draw well. So before drawing, we have a white sheet of paper, but in case of face, we do not have that white sheet of paper. We have to make a base and after that we have to put on makeup. Okay, so for the crease we are using this orange color. Okay? Tap it off always. See the extra amount. See, let us put it on the crease line. And blend it off. So there are two processes of blending, okay? Firstly, just these small strokes, this way we can blend. And secondly, on and off, on and off. So this. Okay, so there are two processes of blending the eyeshadow. And the eyeshadows are pretty pigmented. I'll show you the swatches. Okay, so now let us move to a dark from this Color Studio palette. This is the Color Studio palette. Okay, it's so beautiful, so beautiful. It cost around like 1700, but when I bought this, it was for 999 only. It was launched at that time. So let us take this color. Okay, this color. Fall off takes place, but yet it is a good palette. You get a lot of color options, right? So it's blending well. We'll take more of the orange color, light orange color, and blend it again. Okay. Now let us take the red color again. This is a basic eye makeup which you can carry with almost any kind of dress. So we will take again the yellow, the orange color, and blend everything together. Find the end, we'll take a brown color with a smaller fluffy brush, the smallest one. Okay, so we will take a brown color, this brown color. The negative point of this palette is a lot of follow focus, so that is obviously a negative point. Else this is a good palette. I'm just putting this color on just above the upper lash line. Okay, I hope you can understand. A little bit more of the color. And that's it. I'm done with eye makeup. So now let us come to the lower lash line. So the lower lash line and the waterline. Okay, so this is a pencil brush, just looks like a pencil. This will use to do the lower lash line, lower waterline. So let us take the same brown color. So for the lower lash line, we will take this color like this, and from the corner we will be applying the color. So that's great. We'll do the same thing for this eye. From the corner we'll apply the color. Okay. Now, if you want to apply a bit of glittery shade, you can do that. Absolutely do that. For glittery shade, just take it on your fingers and apply it directly. This middle one, okay? Put this glittery shade in the middle of your eye, okay? So now we will clean the face, okay? So taking the same hanky and the same toner, I'm just taking a little bit. See, a lot of fall off here. My God. So since you are actually cleaning the face again, so you have to apply the moisturizer again. So let us do the eyeliner and kajal, and that's it. Obviously, I'll make a dedicated video on types of eyeliner, but in this case, we are drawing a winged eyeliner like that. So I'm done with my eyeliner, and now it's time for kajal. I'm using this blue kajal from NY Bay. Okay, so I applied the kajal and smudged it a little bit. So the next one is, we'll just take a highlighter shade and with this small fan brush, this is code number 1. Okay, we will take this highlighter. Okay, if I can show this one, and put a bit on the brow. Okay, the same thing with this one. We need to highlight those portions which are a bit high in our face. Okay, this is so pigmented. So the eyes are done. Okay, in the next episode we will move to base makeup. Okay, so goodbye for today.